welcome to Scuti Career Cafe. In this episode, we'll try to share insight on 3 reasons why an engineering student or a fresher should learn Python programming. It has been trend that Indian students pursue IT careers or government jobs after college. And while choosing IT careers, we mostly opt for the courses or IT languages which are trending. Most of the students opt for Java, .NET or PHP, etc. We say Python programming is one good option to consider. Python programming is one such language offering great career in software industry, but lack of awareness and guidance, it's causing students to opt for courses where there exists already high competition. So recently, one Indian MNC which backed nearly $200 million project had to spend a lot more than the contract amount as it had to depend on foreign freelancers for project, as India was not having the required resources for Python programming. So why Python? So before we go into the details, I want to tell you that Python is a general purpose programming language. It is created in late 1980s and named after Monty Python, a comedy series in UK. Python programming is used in creating in games, web applications, network servers, scientific computing, media tools, application scripting, and all that. Machine learning and data analytics communities are also interested in Python as many tools useful for their respective field are written in Python. Now let me explain the 3 reasons why learning Python programming can be a great start for your career in IT industry. 1. Readability. Python is easy to learn, handy to read and write, and extremely flexible. Python very closely resembles the English language, using words like not and in to make it to where you can very often read a program or a script. You can read it aloud to someone else and not feel like you're speaking some arcane language. But do remember, Python is super powerful. There's a reason NASA, Google, Facebook, they all use it. Also, Python has a set of rules known as PEP8 that tells every Python developer how to format their code. Python code, whether it is written by a novice or a seasoned professional, will look very similar and be just as easy to read. Python is very expressive language. It codes which needs to be 5 or 6 lines in another language can be coded in Python in 2 or 3 lines. Number 2. Libraries. Python has been around for over 20 years. So a lot of code written in Python has built up over the decades, and being an open source language, a lot of this has been released for others to use. Almost all of it is collected on, you can search it on pypi.python.org, more commonly called the cheese shop. The libraries for pretty much any use case you can come up with, from image manipulation to scientific calculation to server automation. Number 3, career opportunities. Python programming offers great career opportunities in the field of software programming, data analytics, web and game development. As the demand for Python programmer is rising in India and the supply is not meeting the demand, this is the right time to pursue Python programming for those who wish to enter IT industry. So guys, let me have a quick recap on the 3 steps which I've just shared. Number 1 is readability. Number 2 is libraries. Number 3 is career opportunities. So I hope these insights help you to understand why one should learn Python programming. I wish you happy coding, and we will come up with more interesting facts about Python programming and tips to master it in our next episodes. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Do you wish to join this course? To get connected with the best trainers and training companies, visit the link.